Hello everyone. Before the video begins, make sure you go onto Instagram and follow me. And it's the same name as on my YouTube channel. It's Lola's Doll World Remakes. Make sure you give me a heart and leave a comment on under the pictures you like on my Instagram. And make sure before you watch this video, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment after you finish watching it and let me know what you think about this video. Bye. Hi guys, it's your girl Lola, and today I'm going to show you an easy, quick way to curl your doll hair without any heat, without the boiling water method, without using a flat on or any type of hot heat or anything like that. Well, I got this doll for my collection and I love her, and her hair is so beautiful, the color red, but I kept saying I don't like it because it's just straight out the pack and it's straight and it got bends in it, and I'm like, I want to curl it, but I don't feel like doing all this tension to her hair. So you're going to need three things. You're going to need some got to be glue, the clear gel, some rollers any size you like, and a comb, and you can have clips to add extra security. So make sure you use a little bit of the got to be glue gel, just a little bit, because the gel will make flakes if you comb the curls out. Now if you don't comb the curls out, you're not gonna get no flakes. So roll the hair up, leave it for 4 hours to overnight. You could be 4 hours to 24 hours, but definitely if you leave it overnight, it's going to be, the curls are going to really set in. After that, you take the hair and you just comb it out how you like to be styled. And I just wanted to give her like a type of a snatchback fur faucet flip hairstyle, and I think I did a wonderful job. It came out really well. It looked way better than when I first got the doll, so I love it. This is a quick, easy way to style your doll's hair. Leave in the comments down below if you try this method and you like it. Like I said again, please do not use a lot of gel because it's going to give the doll dandruff and like gel flakes in her head. But if you're not going to comb the curls out, you can use as much gel you want to. It's your girl Lola. I'll be back with another video. Please comment, subscribe, and thumbs up.